One of the great things about eNovativePiano is that the curriculum is fully customizable. To customize your curriculum, choose the Curriculum tab on the main navigation bar, select Customize, and follow the steps shown. In Step 1, you can select the innovations that you wish to include in your custom curriculum. In Step 2, you will select the core elements you want to include. eNovativePiano recommends selecting all the core elements. In Step 3, you select the applications that you will be teaching. eNovativePiano has many different applications, and I'm just going to select a few of these that I plan to teach. When you finish Step 3, you will be presented with your custom curriculum. In Step 4, you can confirm your choices by selecting all or selecting by section. If you wish, you can preview any lesson before you decide. After this step, you don't need to save. You just go to the Select Workbooks pane. The final step is exporting a custom curriculum to an existing or a new class workbook. I'm going to create a new workbook. Give your workbook a title. The course number is an optional field. You will be given a choice of workbook formats. These formats determine how your workbook will be organized, either by date, by units or subjects that you create, or if you wish to follow our curriculum sequence, you can choose eNovativePiano. You can preview each format by selecting the preview icon. If you select a date format workbook, you will be asked for a course start and end date and a weekly schedule. The days of the week that you select that fall between the start and end dates will be added to your workbook calendar. Enter any date exceptions if you wish to exclude a date. Be sure that you set the course start and end dates correctly, or the workbook will not be visible to enrolled students. If you select a unit subject workbook format, you will be asked for the number of units or subjects that you wish to create. The number of units you indicate will automatically populate in your workbook. After your workbook is created, you will be able to rename these and organize them in any way you wish. You will also be able to add additional units or delete ones that you decide you don't need. Saving in either the date or the unit subject format will create a workbook with your selected lessons appearing on the left side, ready to be scheduled to a date or associated with a unit or subject. On the right side, you will see a lesson summary. This graph shows you the types of lessons you have selected and helps you stay aware of the balance within your customized curriculum. You can hide this by closing this window. Now I'm going to move these lessons to the dates or units where I want them to appear. You can do this individually by selecting the calendar or unit icon, by dragging, or you can use the Bulk Actions toolbar. You don't need to move lessons over until you are ready. Unscheduled lessons remain on the left side, but your students won't see this. They will only see the lessons that you have scheduled. This type of workbook will be designated as in progress until all your lessons are scheduled. The eNovativePiano curriculum format is a type of unit subject workbook. If you choose this format, your workbook will emulate our master curriculum and will be organized by innovation. All the imported lessons will already be scheduled by innovation and will include our curriculum topic headings. Once this workbook is created, you can reorganize it like any other unit subject workbook. To locate your new workbook, go to the My Workbooks tab and select Workbooks I am teaching. And there it is. If it's a current workbook, you may want to move it to the front of the list so that it will show up on your dashboard on the Recent Workbooks block. There are many other great features in the eNovativePiano workbook that I'll show you in other tutorials.